This one's a 1995 regular cab short bed. Happens to be my favorite truck. Kind of a cool story on it. We've had it for about a year. So it belongs to a retired Marine, and he's given it to his son, which is currently a deployed Marine.
Chris Johnson from Deltona, Florida.
Yep, Ann Johnson.
Yeah, my son, 15 years old, he wanted a pickup truck. So we went out looking around. A buddy of his ended up having a pickup truck. We ended up getting it. Couldn't even drive it yet.
He bought it with his own money.
With his own money.
Didn't even have a learner's permit yet.
Yep.
So I did most of the driving since I love the truck until he got a driver's license.
Yep, and we always wanted to do it up together. We always wanted to fix it up together and kind of like a father-son thing. But back then I got sick.
He went into the Marines, our son.
He went into the Marines, and this kind of life took a toll from there. So with me being sick, I actually almost died several times actually. So once I came out of what I was going through, it meant a lot to me to go ahead and do this for him and surprise him. So he believes that we sold it
when he got sick.
When we got sick. So he didn't question it, didn't say anything, didn't get mad. He thinks I totally sold it. I told him it was a true thing. People would leave notes on the truck in the driveway asking us to sell it when it was, sitting there broke down. So yeah, he just thinks we sold it and has no idea to this day. I've seen a lot of you guys. I've kind of followed you guys on Facebook for a while. Even before I had this truck, I always kind of was in the race scene and followed you guys. So I made that call and see what you guys could do. And it went from being a motor to spiraling to paint job to tires to underneath and
interior.
So interior, yep, love it. Rides way better, pickup better, looks great. Already getting looks on the road. Super happy with it. Super happy. Great. I went through a lot in my life with military and almost losing my life a couple years back. So this going to my son means so much to me. You guys have no clue. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Sorry, try not to.
A lot of you guys have put a lot into it. Every one of you guys have had some sort of a piece in it, whether you're, like I said, ordering stuff, shipping stuff for it, putting out the effort in the manufacturing side for the parts and engine build and all that decision. So we appreciate it, and thank you, Chris, for trusting us to help you with this.
Yep.
Your son in the Marine Corps?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Thank you guys for your service.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's gonna love it. And that sticker on the windshield is his senior parking sticker for high school. So that's why we asked to leave it there.
Awesome.
Yeah, it turned out great, guys. I'm so super impressed, so happy with it. My son means so much to me, and I'm very proud of him. So he plans on being a career Marine, and that means a lot to me. So, but yeah, I appreciate it, guys, again, so much.
All right.